Hi. Hey, hi. It's going to be a great day today because I'm going to be looking for your recipes up on my Life with Gina Marie page because I want to make a video of one of your recipes, maybe two. So send me what you got new, something you make yourself. Just give me a picture and what's in it and how you made it, and I'm going to take that and make a video for you of my version of your recipe. In the meantime, have a good holiday, and remember, if you need some stocking stuffers and you want to support Life with me, Gina Marie, hit www.lifewithmeginamarie.com. I've got 5 hats. I had a little malfunction with my website, so there's a couple of the hats that are not on there, the colors. There's some new ones. So call me and talk to me, text me, and I'll talk to you about it if you want to get one for someone you love. To strive to be happy this year. Strive to be happy. Oh, girls, say happy. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. These are my babies. I shouldn't leave yet. This is Laurie, and this is Piper, and they're good girls. Want to know how good they are? I'm going to show you before I go. Piper and Laurie, can you sit up? Can you sit up, Laurie? Up. Good girls. Oh, how about a kiss? Can somebody give me, Laurie, a kiss? Kiss? Okay, good. How about coming on over here? Up here. Up here. Up, Laurie. Laurie, up. Good. Sit down. Sit. Stay, Piper. Oh, Piper, get back up there. She's a little confused. Not used to being on camera. Good girls. Settle down. Settle down, Piper. Down. Down. Piper. Down, Piper. Down. Down. Boy, I'll tell you. I don't know what we're going to do in the meantime. We might want to dance. Come on. Who wants to dance? Who wants to dance? Who wants to dance? Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Anyway, back up here. Come on. Come on, Piper. Piper's lot. Piper, up here, Piper. Piper, up here. Over here's the camera. Come on, up. Right here. She's a little camera shy. Say hi, Piper. Okay, everybody have a good day. Send me your recipes. This turned out kind of crazy. And I want to get busy. I have to get on the research thing and make some new ones. I'm running out. So give me something to work with here. And support Life with me, Gina Marie, by clicking on like, going to YouTube, clicking on subscribe, and just liking everything I do because I love it. And I will definitely have more giveaways to thank you for your wonderful support. And we have fun. We have a lot of fun at the giveaways. We're going to have another one soon. Thank you all, your regular followers, all 450 some of you. And I need more, so click on like at the top of my page and have a great day. Bye. Strive to be happy. Right, Piper? Laurie, up. Up. Can you say strive to be happy? Strive to be happy.